Um, Today I'm going to play Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom. Let's see. Run? Okay. Okay, first we'll start with Sonic, then we'll start with Tails, and then we'll start being Knuckles, or we could just switch in game, which I do not know how to do, but I'll figure out eventually. I got a combo. Yep. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Why am I constantly running out of words to say? As we've seen, this is a game based on the TV show, I think. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna continue playing as Sonic anyway. Whoa, remember, you've got to attack those enemies, because if you get hit by those enemies, that's not very good. I got a shield. Wonder what this does. You know, I was starting to get sick of the original Sonic Dash. Well, yeah, it was starting to get old. Watch out for those. Oh, come on. That was just... That was very, and I mean, incredibly flawed. That's very flawed hit detection. Seriously, what the heck, man? I just jumped and I got hit. What's with the hit detection here? Oh, it's probably just a glitch. So, you know what? I've been sort of, going out and I've been going to certain places like, well, sorry, I'm having a little... I've been to places like, McDonald's. I've been to places like, McDonald's, and, I've also been going, I've been taking, the dog for a walk. Yeah, one of my favorite Sonic games would have to be Sonic Unleashed. Sonic Unleashed. Yeah, I like that game. I legitimately like that game. No kidding. Yeah, so this is what so a boost pad sorry. No, I don't need you. Let's see what you got, little... Oh, I'm in the sky. Well, I fell into a bottomless pit. It wasn't bad. So, So, you want to see me start again? Alright. You know, this is a very good game so far. I'm actually, you know, to be honest, I like Sonic Unleashed. I don't see why so, you know, I don't really know why I don't really get why Sonic Unleashed is so, you know, I don't really get why Sonic Unleashed is, you know, has the bad reputation that it does. I mean, the Werehog was kind of fun. I mean, the Werehog was, well, very fun. Was, well, you know, incredibly very fun, so I guess that is sort of I mean the Werehog was fun. I mean, I enjoy the daytime stages and the nighttime stages, and, you know, I don't really get why Sonic Unleashed gets so much. I just don't understand why Sonic Unleashed gets so much hate. So, yeah, that was sort of a bit of a... So it's a bit disappointing to see such a fun game, you know, be hated on. To be, you know, have a bad reputation, you know. Sonic Unleashed is one of my favorite Sonic games. And no, I'm not, seriously, I like the classics, but I sort of prefer modern Sonic over classic Sonic. You know, it's just my tastes. You can say stuff like, I'm not a real Sonic fan or whatever, but seriously, my opinion is my opinion. Deal with it. And you know, I've had a few things to confess. Like, I've seen a few oh, you know that Five Nights at Freddy's game? I sort of consider it a bit overrated, if you ask me. I don't know why everyone likes it. I don't know why it's so popular. And you know, I personally found Sonic Unleashed better than Sonic Generations, but maybe that's just me. Oh, sorry. Sorry if you couldn't see me properly for a minute. I accidentally dropped my phone. Ooh. You know, these enemies can catch you off guard if you're not... You know, those enemies can actually catch you off guard if you're not... Like I was saying, those enemies can catch you off guard if you're not... You know, keeping an eye on your surroundings. Which is becoming a problem for me at the moment, since I'm trying to talk and I'm sort of being bombarded by all these enemies. Seriously? That thing didn't even touch me and I still took a hit. Okay. So, Knuckles is the strong one around here. Well, he looks more bulky than I remember. Oh, Sonic Boom! Sorry. I have a bit of rotation problems with that type of stuff. Whoa. Boost pad. So we're on the rail grind segments. You know, this almost works like it did in Sonic Generations. Watch out for that spike. I played... Oh. Wow. That was some ending climax right there. But you know, I'll see you later. You know, I'll see you later. Hope you know. What's your opinion on this game? Tell me your opinion of this game in the down in the comments below. Bye, and I'll see you next time.